Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had looked into searching in NumPy array using the where function. And today, let's look into searching in NumPy array using the search sorted function. So what is a search sorted function and what does it return? NumPy search sorted is a function present in NumPy of Python. It gives the index value where the element needs to be inserted in the sorted array. For working on the search sorted function, we have to pass a sorted array and a value which we want to insert into the sorted array. And the search sorted function in turn returns the index value where the element needs to be inserted in the sorted array. While inserting a new element in the sorted array, search sorted function returns the index value where the element needs to be inserted so that it does not disturb the sorting order in the array. It gives the index value such that the sorting order is not disturbed in the sorted array. How does it find the indexes? It uses binary search to find the index value where the element needs to be inserted. So it uses binary search to find the indices values where the elements need to be inserted. What is the syntax of search sorted? It is NP, the alias name for NumPy, dot search sorted. Then in the function, we have to pass array as the first parameter, the sorted array, and secondly we have to pass the element which we want to insert into the sorted array, and side by default is left and sorted is by default none. The side we can change it to right if we want, and we get a different index value for that. The search sorted function returns either a single index. If we pass a single element, it returns a single index. Otherwise, if we pass an array of elements, it returns the indices at which the elements need to be inserted into the input array. So this was the search sorted function in NumPy array. Let's look into some of the examples. So firstly, let us import NumPy as NP. Let us create an array with array1. The name of the array is array1 with 10, 20, 30, 40. And I is equal to np.searchSorted array1 and we want to insert 25. So 25 will be inserted. It will give the index value where the element needs to be inserted. So it gives the index value as 2. After 20, 25 needs to be inserted so that the sorting order is not disturbed. So the sorting order should not be disturbed. So it will give the index value such that the sorting order is maintained. And when I say print I, it gives the value 2 because 10, 20, 25, 30, 40. So at index 2, 25 needs to be inserted. So it returns the index value where the element 25 needs to be inserted without disturbing the sorting order. Now let's look into it practically. Import NumPy as NP array1 is equal to np.array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now let me give my result equal to np.searchSorted. Within this, I'm passing my array1 as the first parameter. Then the value which I want to insert is 25. And now let me say print result. So now when I run the code, it gives the value 2. As discussed, 10 is at 0th index, 20 at first index. So 25 should be inserted at the second index. So it will return the index value where the element 25 needs to be inserted in array 1 without disturbing the sorting order. It does not insert the element, but it will return only the index value where it needs to be inserted. So this was the first example. Now let's take, okay. Second example is I want to insert 20 into the sorted array. Already 120 is already present and I want to insert another 20. So where will it insert? By default the side is left. If we specify right, it will insert after the 20 present in the input array. If we don't specify any side, it will by default insert before the 20. So it will insert on the left side. So since in this particular scenario we have not specified the side, by default side will be equal to left, and it will insert and it will give the index value as 1 because 10 is at 0th index, and this 20 will be inserted to the left, so it will come at the first index value. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I want to insert an element which is already existing in the sorted array, another 20 which is already present in the sorted array. Since I'm not specifying the side, by default it will take left as the side and insert at the first position. So we got the result as 1, the index value as 1. Now if I want to give it to the right, then I have to specify side equal to right. So in this case it will give the index value as 2 because 10 is at 0th index, 20 is at first index, and the second 20, that is the inserting element, will come after the 20 present in the input sorted array. So it will give the result as 2. So it will be inserted at the second position. So side equal to left and right comes in handy when the element is already present in the sorted array. Otherwise, it won't have any effect. The side equal to right or left will not have any effect. And now, if we want to insert multiple elements, then we get multiple index values. So here is my array 10, 20, 30, 40, and I want to insert 25, 35, 45. That is, I want to insert multiple elements. Then it will give the index values. 25 is at 2 index, 35 is at third index, and 45 is at fourth index. So it will return the array where the indices, and it will return an index values where the elements need to be inserted. So now, or we can directly give it over here. I'll pass 25, 35, 45. Side does not matter because all the elements are not present. So I'll just give it as array1 dot comma the index, the elements which need to be inserted. Now when I run the code, I get the value 2, 3, 4. So it needs to be inserted at these particular index values. So basically it returns an one index value for one element, or if we pass more than one element, it will give the indices for the element specified in the search sorted parameter. So hope so friends, it is clear for you. The search sorted, NumPy search sorted is a function present in NumPy of Python. It gives the index value where the element needs to be inserted in the sorted array. While inserting a new element in the sorted array, it returns the index value where the element needs to be inserted so that it does not disturb the sorting order. It uses binary search to return the index value where the element needs to be inserted. By default, the side is left and sorted is none. If we want to insert the element to the right, then we can specify the side equal to right. It returns either a single index for a single element or an array of indexes for for more than one element which needs to be inserted. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.